In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed YouTube Shorts on your Wix website for free. Now, if you're not familiar with Wix, it's a user-friendly platform that allows you to design and build websites effortlessly. And today we're going to make it even more exciting by integrating YouTube Shorts into your Wix pages. This is a fantastic way to communicate with your audience using engaging video content. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Wix website editor. This is the space where all the magic happens, offering you a blank canvas to design and customize your site. Once you're in the editor, look to your left and find the Add Elements button. This feature allows you to incorporate various pieces and parts into your website, from text boxes to multimedia files. Next, after clicking on Add Elements, you'll see a list of options. From there, choose the Embed Code section. Embed codes are small snippets of HTML that allow you to add outside content to your site, which makes this next step crucial for our task today. After selecting Embed Code, your next move is to click on Embed HTML. This is the tool that will facilitate the embedding process for your YouTube Shorts. Now, let's turn our attention to YouTube itself. Go to the YouTube Shorts section and find the short that you want to embed. Once you've selected your video, right-click on it to bring up a menu of options. One of these options will be Copy Embed Code. This is exactly what you need, as it contains the HTML necessary to embed your short into another website. Return to your Wix editor with your copied embed code at the ready. In the area where you added the HTML element, paste the embed code. This action will integrate your YouTube short directly into your Wix page, ready for visitors to engage with. After pasting, make sure to click on Update. This will render your video visible within the editor and ensure that all the latest changes are saved. Finally, you'll want to adjust the size of your video to fit your page perfectly. This can be done by clicking on the small circle that appears upon selecting the embedded video. Resize it to fit your page layout and aesthetics, ensuring it looks just right for your audience. And there you have it. You've just embedded a YouTube short into your Wix website for free. Not only does this add dynamic content to your page that captivates visitors, but it also enhances the interactive aspect of your site. Remember, incorporating multimedia creates a more engaging experience for users, potentially increasing time spent on your site and improving interaction rates. Keep experimenting and integrating these features to achieve a vibrant and memorable online presence.